let's go to another area of agitation, insurgency, Assam. What was the BJP's, how did you react when the students first began in 79, the ASU movement, the blockade of the oil, against the influx of what they called foreigners in the electoral rolls of Assam?
Illegal immigration in Assam has been a real problem. In fact, movement of people from what is now Bangladesh to other parts of the northeast has been a phenomenon that we have had even before partition. After partition, after the formation of Bangladesh, this became a real issue for Assam. And during the student movement in Assam, we were in support of the movement, though not in support of any such extreme step like blockage of oil movement. But the movement broadly did have our support. Unfortunately, while the movement brought AGP to power, after coming to power, there has been a deterioration in the quality of the leadership and the approach of the leadership, which has led to discontentment and all that has led to ULFA being formed and militancy taking roots. And our neighbors have been keen to exploit that. They have used it.
In 83, the Nelly massacre takes place. What do you think, was there because there was communalism that was taking place now in Assam, and because the thousands who were massacred there were mostly from Muslim-dominated villages?
Yes, these massacres are ugly incidents. They have they cannot be condoned. They cannot be justified. That was a very nasty incident. But much has happened after that. And my feeling is that in the last 3 years or so, militancy in the northeast, militancy in Assam has come down considerably. So much so that ULFA earlier had very wide support among the people. Now it's no longer there. So much so that there have been a series of incidents where ULFA militants have been lynched by the common villagers or handed over to the authorities, security authorities. There have been a large number of surrenders of ULFA militants. Though in some parts of the northeast, like Manipur and Tripura, militancy has grown. In Assam, it has come down, and in some other states are absolutely peaceful, like Mizoram, like Sikkim, like even Arunachal, 1 or 2 districts apart. So that this feeling that the entire northeast is in the throes of militancy is not quite correct. But Assam still needs great attention, and so do Tripura and Manipur.